Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a small Well.ca unboxing to do for you guys. You guys would have seen me do previous videos from this company, and it's a Canadian company and it's like a pharmacy, but they have other stuff for like pets and your babies and some grocery stuff as well. So it's not just medication, because when you think of a pharmacy you think medication, but they also sell makeup stuff. Not a lot of high-end makeup, but there's a lot of drugstore type brands in there. So I like ordering from them. If you spend $35 you get free shipping, which is really nice, because I easily spend more than that every time I shop there. And I had opened this box before. It came with the tape ripped up here, so I'm getting pretty annoyed because a lot of my packages are coming like that. Even from Zulily, I'm getting boxes that have holes in them, and I'm really getting upset about that. So, but anyways, I ordered some vitamins. They were on sale and we wanted them at home, so I took those out already, so it won't be in the box. The other stuff in the box is like skincare that I ordered, and it's from the brand called the Oridnary, and it's a really affordable brand. I think it's a Canadian brand. I can be wrong about that, but Sephora also carries it. Now, I was comparing between the two companies to see who sells the ones I wanted at a better price, and while I was looking through on Well.ca, they gave me some other suggestions, like how Sephora will give you, you may also like this product, or customers have tried this one. So they were doing that, and I came across a set that has 3 things in there for your skin, and I decided to buy that one because it included 3 things that I would have liked to try anyways. So that is how come I ended up buying that set, and I will show you. Now they're saying that their shipping is 1 to 3 days, but I don't think so, because, or maybe it's because I'm so far out, but we picked up other stuff that I ordered the same day as this one, and that their stuff came in before this. So, and of course this one had to come in after we have been to the post office and my fiance is back to work, so I had to wait to go get it then. But anyways, I do have it now, and that's my little story, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and show you guys. I've never had issues with Well.ca with stuff coming wrecked or anything. So they're pretty good with their shipping. Their packing is really good as well. And a lot of people like Well.ca because a lot of their stuff is natural, like it's good for the environment and stuff like that. There's nothing poisonous in there, especially if you've got your baby or if you've got pets. You don't want to be using poisonous things in your house for cleaning and stuff. They sell a lot of cleaners, so, and they sell really natural things. A lot of the stuff is made in Canada, and they do ship to the States as well. Of course, there's some restrictions on some stuff that they wouldn't ship, like other companies. Like I find for Amazon, there's just some things they wouldn't ship to me, even though it's the Amazon.ca site. So, I mean, there's restrictions everywhere. So, let me see if I've got my slip. Yes, I've got my slip right here. So I just kind of folded it. This is my slip listing what I bought, because it had my address on the other side. So as you can see, it says Well.ca there. And then inside, they always put thank you, which is really nice, you know. So what I bought came up to $56.73. That is including the tax, which was $2.70, because it's 5% GST. I don't know if you'll see this, but this is all the stuff I bought. And yeah, so let's get right into this video. so as you can see, it says the Ordinary. So I'm gonna go through here and see which one is the bundle one. So the bundle, in the bundle, I have the Ordinary Alpha Arbutin 2% Hyaluronic Acid. And I'm thinking it's one of these ones. One. That might be it. Yeah, so this is part of the bundle, and that bundle costs $23.99, and this one is called the Glowing Skincare Bundle. There's also I think two other types, so it depends on what you're looking for. You want hydration or you want glowing? So I chose the glowing one because it actually has a couple things in there that I was wanting to try either way. So this is the hyaluronic one, and then I've got the caffeine solution, which is this one. I don't know how to use it. I'll have to read up and see. And then I've got the Magnesium Ascorbyl Phosphate, which is this one right here. So this set here was $23.99, as I mentioned. And then the fish oils, which I don't have, I took out already. They were like $12.14, which in the store you probably get it for double the price, you know. So then this one is the serum for hair density. Feels kind of heavy, and it's 60 mils in here. This one was $17.99. So I mean, there's cheaper stuff than this one for the Ordinary. It just depends on what you're looking for. So, you know, I wanted these, and I said, well, I didn't know they carry the Ordinary, so I just grabbed what I could. And then there's a couple more things I'd like to get from the Ordinary, and I'm going to be placing another Well.ca order. And I could have waited and done them both together, but I've had this box a while, and I thought, well, it's time that I did this video and get it out there so I could start using my skincare and stuff like that. So yeah, so that was that. And I haven't placed that order yet. I'll probably be doing so in probably a day or two. And there's a bunch of things I want to get, like bug repellent. So it won't be an exciting box, you know, but it's going to be mostly things that I need rather than want. I mean, the bugs are out and it's terrible. So we need to get a lot of bug repellent, because when we go out fishing, I hate to have the bugs bothering me. And also we're needing sunscreen, so we always need to have our sunscreen, because summer here is very, very hot, and even in the winter time you do need sunscreen. Some people think that because it's a cloudy day you don't need it, but you do. You might not need as high a SPF as you do in the summer, but you still need to wear it. So guys, that was my Well.ca unboxing, and it wasn't such an exciting box, but it's skincare, so who doesn't like skincare? I mean, if you can prolong looking young for as long as you can, why not, right? And this skincare is very affordable. I mean, if you're gonna buy, even the L'Oreal skincare brand is expensive. It can become very pricey. I paid less for all this stuff. So, I mean, you probably pay about 30 bucks for skincare from L'Oreal. And if you want to go to the really expensive ones like Lancome, you'll pay hundreds of dollars. So, I mean, why not try the Ordinary, which gets a lot of good reviews on Sephora. I've been reading about it, and even on Well.ca, it has had good reviews. So that's how I like to shop, is based on people's reviews. And yeah, so that's it guys. I hope you're having a good day, and you know, now that you know where you can buy the Ordinary skincare, you can go ahead and do so, because they have a lot to choose from. It depends on what you're looking for and your skin concerns and stuff like that. Okay guys, well, I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.